Do you want to learn how to view someone's Instagram profile picture? And I'm not talking about this one. For example, we go on Johnny Depp, this one, right? I can't see anything here. The only way people will do that is by basically downloading it like this or making a screenshot and just doing something like this. But that doesn't work, that doesn't fit my needs. What is a better way? What you learn in this video. Hey, I'm Dr. Nikki. I talk about all things personal branding and making money online. So if you're new, make sure you subscribe to this awesome YouTube channel because me and my team, we produce over 2 videos every single day for your value. So again, subscribe and like this video for your YouTube algorithm. And I'll even shout your Instagram account out if you just comment it down below. I'll take it, put it in the shout out jar and shout you out in one of the next videos, just like this. Okay, so the way you do that is you don't, as we say, we don't just screenshot it and zoom it in because that doesn't work. We want a high quality profile picture. What you do is tap on the 3 dots right here and go to this option, copy profile URL. Just copied it and it says here link copy to clipboard. And then I'll go on a browser and go on this website, instadp.com. You can see it here. And what I'll do here is just type in the name of the person I want to download and you'll see the full profile picture of his Instagram. So that's Johnny Depp in this situation. We'll go ahead, click that. And as you can see here, sometimes you get some ads. And if I just click full size, look at that. I can even download it in its higher quality. If this video helped you out, make sure you give it a like. If you're new, subscribe. And remember that this is no financial or medical advice. Remember that a video a day keeps the doctor away. By the end of this video, make sure you check this or this video out. See you next one. Bye.